Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use RustDesk on your iPhone to remotely control any computer or mobile device step by step. Let's jump right into it. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for RustDesk, and install the app. Once downloaded, open RustDesk and make sure to allow screen recording or notification permissions if prompted. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see your own ID and one-time password. If you want someone else to control your iPhone, simply share this ID and password with them. To control another device from your iPhone, look at the Control Remote Desktop field at the top. Enter the ID of the target computer or phone and tap Connect. Next, enter the remote device's password when prompted and tap OK. Now you are fully connected. When you're finished, simply tap the Disconnect button at the top. And that's it. That is the best and easiest way to use RustDesk on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tech guides.